Good morning, everyone. I hope you are doing well. So, today we have our first snow of the season. As you can see, this is our table here at the deck, and there's a lot of snow on it. And every time I stepped, it's very, very crunchy. So, here's the garden. We're going down there and let's take a look what's going on. So this is how the garden look like during the snow. We have wrapped up the blueberry, and here's the other one right here, and the two blue spruce that we have right there at the back. I love the snow. It looks so magical when you can see everything is white. Look at this. These are the flowers that I collected a week ago and placed it right here on the table, and it has some snow on the top. There you go. This is the calendula flower. Everything looks bare in the garden. I am thinking if I am going to wrap the rose or protect it. I have mulched it underneath, so I'm not sure. What do you think? This is the other rose right here in the arbor. I am really thinking that I am going to at least wrap it with burlap just to protect it from the harm winter that we have in here. I am so surprised to see the rose. Look, it is still very green. Isn't that beautiful to see the snow on the top of the leaves? I was talking to my husband, and I am asking if we can put a Christmas light on this blueberry with burlap on it. It's going to look great, I think. What do you think? So I have 4 of them. They look good. So I think it would be nice to have a Christmas light on it. We'll see. I have to put away all the tools that I have right here for gardening. It's still out. I did not expect that we're going to have a snow today, but everything is covered. I think there's something there that oh, look at this one right here. This is the pots. I have creeping Jenny on it and strawberry, and it's all covered as well. I really like the look of the garden right now. It's so quiet. It's all white and it's bare, but it looks beautiful and magical. This is one of the hydrangea that I have in here. I already trimmed it. Uh, the only thing that is green is the roses. That one there, it's the rose. It's still green. And right here on the other side, it's still green as well. Then there's another rose right here. Another climbing rose that I have. Yeah, I am thinking really to at least wrap it with burlap as well. I'm not sure, this is the first time that I have planted roses here in the backyard, so I'm not knowledgeable about it. So I watched another video in YouTube that it's all about how to protect your rose during winter. So I think that yeah, I think I have to really wrap it around just to make sure that it is protected. But it is so fast that a few months ago I am enjoying gardening, enjoying the flowers, the pollinators, the birds that comes in the backyard, and now everything has changed. We're gonna have a few months of winter, so that means we're not gonna have any gardening video, but I will do some recalls of some of the gardens topic that I have from previous month. I still have the hose right here. I really have to take it out and put it on the shed. Shovels are still here. At least the ground it's not frozen yet. That's the spring onions right there. Wow. My planter box full of snow. And I think I am going to protect these berries. This is my strawberries in here. I am going to cover it with burlap as well later on. Wow. So this is the first day of snow here in Zone 5A, Canada, and we're getting more of it pretty soon. Anyways, the first day of snow is always beautiful and magical. I couldn't believe that we have the snow today, but this is the season in here. Everything is white. This is all the Annabelle hydrangeas at the back right here. I already cleaned it up. Yep. Everything is pretty done. Anyways, that's all for today. Just want to show you how the garden look like during the first day of snow. And hope you like this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.